Hello all, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss an important part of Python. Everything is an object in Python. Python treats every value or data item as an object. This object is different from the real world object. Those have attributes and behavior. Object in Python is a value that might be integer, string, list, or function, what we think of as a variable, and we perform some operations. Every object in Python is assigned a unique identity which remains the same for the lifetime of that object. This ID is akin to the memory address of object. If you will look at the lower languages like C, C++, these languages focus on utilizing the memory address in the program, which is error-prone method. Python has avoided all this kind of mess because object makes program easy to write. If you want to see the ID of the object, you can use a built-in function ID that returns the identity of an object. For example, here I have created a one variable and I have assigned a one object or value, and then I have passed this object to the ID function and it has returned an ID of this object. When we assign a value to a variable, actually we are creating a one object, means we are assigning a object into a variable and that object is stored in a memory. And Python also assign a one ID to this object. Let's understand how object works in Python. In many programming languages, variables are thought of as a memory. This memory is associated to a specific type of information. For example, in C, we essentially define memory name and we also assign a one value. For example, in C code, I have created a one variable which is a memory X and I also given a data type. Later, I have assigned a character type value in this memory, but C is unable to print the exact value of this memory. On the similar pattern, I have again assigned a one string type value to this memory. Again, C is unable to print the exact value of the string. If you look at the Python code, in Python, we essentially define a pointer name that points to some memory and it contains value. With this method, Python variables just point to various objects and allows us to work with the different types of values with the same variable. For example, I have created a one variable and I have assigned a one value which is an object in this context, and then I have printed the value. It is printing the exact value 10. And again I have assigned a one string type value to this variable and again I have printed this value. It is printing the exact value of the string. This is the advantage of the Python object, means we can work with the different types of value or information with the same variable. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe channel for more videos. If you have any query, you can keep in comment box.